Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. A small mistake can cause long-term pain. No way. This job is challenging, even when every detail is carefully planned. But perhaps it's a learning opportunity for the future. But mistakes, they teach. Looking for the best firewood sawing solution? Comment No. 1 and let Halverson on the Kubota platform deliver amazing results. Behold two incredible machines. Tree cutting is a demanding profession that requires skill and precision. Every cut must be carefully calculated, as safety is paramount in every operation. An old Kentucky farmer's trick. Use wheels under chains to pull stumps more easily. Hayes, the reigning king of the West Coast. His dominance isn't just about strength, though he has plenty of that. It's about precision and determination. Hurry, run before the tree falls. The damage could have been far worse. Check out the Woodcracker W1350, the ultimate tool for turning timber into tidbits with a powerful. Despite all the warnings, he chose to take a chance. He seemed to have foreseen this outcome. Drop a 1 in the comments if you enjoyed this video, and let us know how we can inspire you more. This is a challenging move. Never underestimate the strength of nature. Let's talk about making your job easier. More bark talon. Debris shears offer smooth, efficient operation, handling tough stumps and logs. Up to 40 inches in diameter. And with Model 40, you can use your machine's existing hydraulics. Installation and removal are simple. Get ready for the turbo sawmill, where logs are sliced faster than your morning toast. With a 23 horsepower engine, logs up to 20 inches in diameter. Watch lumber vanish like magic. Let's saw it up. The Ultra Delimber 3500 is unmatched. Designed for heavy-duty forestry, its 200 horsepower engine strips branches with ease. Watch it glide through dense forests effortlessly. Truly a marvel of engineering in action. Who doesn't love groundbreaking innovations? We all do, right? And the HTZ12 Plus sets a new benchmark with its powerful 45/55 of a kilowatt motor and blade width range of 160 to 180 millimeters. It's built for anyone looking to conquer the toughest tasks. Every step must be calculated precisely, especially in urban tree cutting. It's a risky business in the city. No way. Wow, watching this video, you'd never guess it's a homemade wood splitter. This guy has really leveled it up. With an optimized return system, carbon dioxide separation, and central lubrication, the performance is absolutely mind-blowing. The Ponce Argo Harvester is a key innovation in forestry technology. Its active frame features a unique hydraulic system that provides exceptional stability on uneven terrain. The C5 crane extends up to 10 meters, with a lifting capacity of 1,000 kilograms. The H8 head includes a high-performance saw unit capable of felling trees up to 70 centimeters in diameter. These features improve productivity, reduce downtime, and enhance operator safety. Isn't it amazing to see animals and humans working together? It's truly heartwarming and inspiring. These horses look like they're having a great time, and their handler couldn't be more proud. It just makes you feel good inside. The Timberwolf Alpha 6 isn't just a tool, it's your partner in success. Engineered for peak performance, it's designed to make your work seamless for 107. 045 to 43,333. 045 to 44,600. Alright, she's gone. At Europe's largest marble mine, Viro's marbles utilize is top-tier equipment. Komatsu and Caterpillar wheel loaders operate at full capacity. Their 30-ton capacity boosts productivity. These loaders are equipped with engines of up to 500 horsepower, designed to thrive in harsh quarry environments. Efficiency meets durability. Senebigan 8-1E and John Deere 1-70A. Working together in perfect harmony, with Senebigan lifting and positioning massive tree trunks, precisely cutting and peeling bark, the synergy delivers an efficient and seamless logging process, transforming green forests into piles of wood, ready for sustainable use. The wood sawing process at this factory is remarkable, especially the beautiful black ironwood logs, processed with precision by modern sawmills. With just a few accurate operations, logs up to 60 centimeters in diameter are transformed into perfect boards up to 4 meters long, ready for premium products. Introducing the Clarovic Volvo EC210 Series 8/6, a reliable powerhouse in the world of excavators. Have you ever seen an excavator handle rough terrain so effortlessly? Say hello to the whole tree harvester, the ultimate tree hugger turned lumberjacker. With a powerful 500 horsepower engine, the ability to munch trees up to 30 inches in diameter. Are you ready to witness nature's destruction on an epic scale? These machines are the superheroes of the forest, hauling logs like they're just carrying groceries. Watching true expertise is a privilege. This lumberjack's precision is remarkable, working on an incline, and makes accurate cuts even harder. Yet, he maneuvers through these obstacles flawlessly. His mastery is evident in every movement. Now that's what I call getting down to business. This beast makes quick work of those stumps, effortless, efficient, and oh, so satisfying to watch. Got land to clear? This is your new best friend. Imagine this rugged mountains, dense forests, and the HSM 405H, powering through it all. This machine is an absolute beast, built to handle anything nature throws at it. Rain or shine, steep slopes or muddy trails. It just keeps going. Think of it as the ultimate off-road vehicle, but instead of carrying adventurers, it's hauling timber with surgical precision. And the best part, it's so intuitive. Anyone can hop in and feel like a pro. Cutting down a 600-year-old tree is not something you see every day. It takes real expertise. But in Japan, people share a deep connection with nature. It's embedded in their culture. They see trees as living beings, worthy of respect. So when they take on a task like this, it's a balance of skill and reverence. It's truly remarkable. This isn't just another machine. The VK debarker redefines what's possible in wood processing. Its advanced cutting head optimizes every step, ensuring efficiency and precision across a wide range of applications. It's an innovation built for the future, handling up to 15 cubic meters per hour. It's a testament to modern engineering excellence, pushing boundaries in technology. New Zealand's log transport vehicles adhere to strict safety regulations, vehicle dimensions, and MAS 2016. These standards differ from those in Europe, such as in Scandinavian forestry. Specialized equipment ensures safety and efficiency, making operations seamless and reliable. These innovations set a global benchmark for sustainable practices in forestry operations worldwide. This Fricko circular sawmill shines with its iconic design, featuring a 48-inch carbide tip blade and unmatched sharpness, powered by a robust 3-cylinder Detroit diesel engine. It handles hardwood with ease, a tribute to both machinery and human ingenuity. Special recognition to Gary, the man who revived this beauty, proving that dedication can restore brilliance to its fullest potential. What an incredible journey through forestry innovation. If you love these machines as much as we do, don't forget to subscribe and give us a... Here's a look at a stump harvesting operation in Finland, and I bet you guys find this equipment just as fascinating as I do. Whoa, check out this beastly cat. 3 for 9F in action. That 61-inch bucket is insane. But hold up, no thumb. How are they gonna handle those massive stumps? This is wild. Smash that like button and subscribe for more epic construction content. Let me tell you, logging in New Zealand is on another level. Picture this, massive trucks, up to 150 tons, thundering down private forest roads. And for those steep slopes and tricky spots, they bring in the tri-drives. It's a true testament to ingenuity and commitment to sustainable forestry. Whoa, check out how they handle those branches. It's not as easy as it looks. See how the climber adjusts to the helicopter's movement. That's crucial. With those big machines and unpredictable winds, safety comes first, and that smooth exit when the load drops. Textbook. The Gens M820 DQ mobile chipper features cutting-edge technology, maximizing efficiency and throughput. With a high-powered engine and an intelligent feed system, it delivers top performance, even with the toughest materials. This machine means serious business, a game changer for any chipboard operation. Check out this Fendt 940 Vario. This powerhouse is paired with a Gens M583 wood chipper, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. The Vario's got the muscle for any terrain, and the M583 can chew through massive logs like they're twigs. This combo is all about efficiency and power, maximizing productivity for any forestry operation. This isn't a toy, folks. This is the 640H, built for one thing: getting the job done. We're talking raw power, an unstoppable force. Need to move timber? This is the machine for the job. No excuses, no complaints, just results. See that tractor over there? Man, those tires are massive, and they have to be. They need that grip for rough terrain. Imagine trying to haul all that timber without them. You'd be slipping and sliding all over the place. The process is absolutely mesmerizing. Massive logs are effortlessly handled, thanks to powerful cranes. A specialized machine swiftly strips the bark, prepping the logs for the next stage. Then, they move along the conveyor belt to the cutting area where industrial saws, efficiently slicing them into lumber. The final step is loading the lumber onto trucks for delivery. The Cubic 2 isn't just a machine, it's a game changer in firewood processing. Built tough and engineered for efficiency, it optimizes workflow like nothing else. The upfront cost is steep, $10,000 to $15,000, but for serious producers, the ROI on this powerhouse is undeniable. We're talking reduced labor, higher output, and faster turnaround. That's money in your pocket. Mud everywhere, but these guys, they never stop. These machines are built to handle anything. And yet, they're stuck. The John Deere 959K Feller Buncher, when paired with the Quadco 28C hot saw head, shows a massive boost in cutting efficiency. No doubt about it, its high tractive effort and maneuverability, combined with the 28C's rapid cutting cycle, result in optimized timber harvesting, especially in stands with large diameter trees. This translates to higher productivity and lower operational costs. Wow, take a look at this. The Scania R730 timber truck recovery in action. A true example of heavy-duty precision and power. Notice the careful rigging and winch setup, protecting the truck's chassis and drivetrain while getting the job done. And let's not forget that roar from the legendary Scania V8 engine, delivering over 700 horsepower effortlessly. A beast built to conquer the toughest terrains. Precision at its peak, piloting a helicopter demands exceptional talent, combining mastery of pitch, balance, and coordination. Every move reflects dedication and finesse. Witnessing such control is absolutely inspiring. It was a heart-pounding moment, but thanks to quick thinking, he avoided danger. Could this get any worse? Always remember to check all angles. Cutting trees is not just a task, it requires skill, focus, and precision. It could have been disastrous. Can you explain why people often underestimate these dangers? Don't worry, I'm an expert, he says confidently. Let's see how it goes. He knew the risks, so he always planned ahead. You won't believe it, but even a tree can topple a heavy vehicle. When someone is in need, teamwork makes all the difference. Always stay alert, unexpected things happen. Planning and caution can make all the difference. This is why safety precautions are a must. Never underestimate potential hazards. Time is running out. I'm sorry, but this won't end well, he admits. Oops, there goes my wallet again. The rope held strong. Or maybe we just found a real-life Spider-Man. Do you see the spark of brilliance? It's nothing compared to the lessons learned today. Maintaining balance with advanced control systems and avoiding dangerous slides with precision. A logging truck is about to face its ultimate battle against gravity, and boom, you won't believe what happens next. 1 second of hesitation can lead to immediate disaster. This was the ladder I was standing on. I had to jump. There are so many people out there with chainsaws, but not enough common sense to keep themselves safe. Imagine the horror of being in a truck, carrying tons of logs that suddenly overturns. Curious about what makes a wood sawing machine truly exceptional? Meet the Pezzolato TLC1300. It's power transporting massive logs. That's no easy feat. Some weigh tons. It's mind-boggling to think about the logistics. Rough roads, harsh weather, and sharp turns make this job a test of true skill. Is no small feat. Ford's strength and durability make it possible. Using the TFG Tree Services compact chipper, processing branches becomes simpler. Charging uphill like a beast demonstrates unmatched durability and the power to conquer any challenge. The Fendt 936 Black Beauty and Pezzolato PTH 1000 combine to create immense power, gliding through dense forests effortlessly, crushing every obstacle in their path. This is awesome. I love how they turn such a simple idea into something so effective. This woodcutter is incredibly efficient. It really shows what you can achieve with a bit of creativity. Great job. This is what happens when you push the limits. One wrong move and disaster strikes. Thankfully, this time no injuries, just a lesson learned. This is why you must watch closely when a tree is about to fall. Now, watch closely. Turns a basic tire into a stump pulling machine. Can a simple tire really pull out stubborn roots? Say hello to the Ponce Scorpion H8 head, a machine so sharp, it trims trees faster than your barber. With an 80-centimeter cutting diameter, this beast tackles massive trunks effortlessly. Its processing speed will leave you in awe. The sight of the Fuchs 350 MHL in action is awe-inspiring. The crane extends like a giant hand, grasping a massive log with ease. The crane carefully lowered, placing the log in perfect alignment, precision at its finest. The Pezzolato KV700, a marvel of engineering, easily processes logs up to 41 centimeters in diameter. With its integrated electric cutter for 110, it delivers precise cuts effortlessly. Powered by a 49 horsepower engine, this machine splits and cuts wood effortlessly, delivering outstanding results in firewood production. With precise cutting capabilities and an intuitive user-friendly design, it transforms even the toughest logs into manageable pieces in no time. Incredible engineering. If you trace it up here, you'll see. Meet the OSA 270-670th Helgum Logma, the Swiss Army knife of logging machines. These beasts can tackle any job, from felling trees to hauling logs. All right, she's gone. Now this is what I call a real challenge. These guys are the real deal, every move counts. With the last few trees down, it's all about extraction. The mountain is turning into a frozen trap. If they don't move fast, it's over. Every inch matters now, and Mother Nature is in control. It's a battle against time and terrain. Curious how a giant crane like the T-Rex AC-1009 is installed. The Austrian company Pringle is on an ambitious mission. At the Parndorf construction site, this powerhouse can lift up to 1,000 tons. Transported in parts, its assembly requires extraordinary precision, ensuring every piece fits perfectly. The ILFB 2000 lawnmower boasts an incredible 2,000 horsepower, powered by a robust 4-stroke engine. It cuts and processes biomass with remarkable efficiency, handling up to 20 tons per hour with ease. Track maintenance has become simpler and more efficient, thanks to the innovative Colmar. The T1000 FSC is a specialized lifting machine, designed for heavy-duty operations on rails. With a load capacity of up to 10,000 kilograms, it handles large loads effortlessly, equipped with a powerful motor and a precision control system. The TigerCat M726, a powerhouse for navigating dense areas with ease. This beast is powered by a robust engine that delivers extraordinary cutting performance, turning dense vegetation into manageable pieces effortlessly. Imagine, in no time, it's the pinnacle of efficiency. The Merlo MM350 combined with Treme HWIM650H is a game-changing duo. They redefine how dense vegetation is managed effectively. With cutting-edge technology, this partnership conquers every forestry challenge, setting new standards for performance and durability. Despite its compact size, it delivers exceptional power, maneuvering through dense forests effortlessly. It handles trees with absolute precision. The H4-5 harvester excels in cutting and peeling, transforming heavy logs into perfectly prepared timber. It's bittersweet to watch it go, but that's just the way of life. Our logger is giving it a new purpose, helping it return to the earth, where it can nurture the next generation. Navigating treacherous roads with massive logs tests the driver's skill and determination. Sharp turns and rugged terrain demand precision and courage. .135 horsepower motor. It cuts logs up to 16 inches wide with ease. Watch trees get ripped apart like slices of bread. These automatic saws are like the superheroes of the woodworking industry. Silent, fast, and incredibly precise. Cutting wood with precision. Using state-of-the-art machines, they handle logs effortlessly, making the process modern, efficient, and mesmerizing. This is no ordinary machine. The DAF180D Forestry Mulcher is the ultimate land clearing powerhouse. It's a monster that can take on anything. Durability, check. Performance, check. Versatility, absolutely. This machine is a total game changer. Check out this beast, the Bandit 250T, a wood chipper's dream. That 49 horsepower Kohler engine purrs like a dream. And those teeth, forget about it. They tear through wood like it's nothing. Yeah, it comes with a hefty $34,950 price tag. But you get what you pay for. Pure power and performance. This machine is an absolute game changer. This is where passion meets purpose. You think you can create something amazing? Take the first step, believe in your potential, and let the magic happen. This is the moment to show your expertise. Let's make it happen. Step into the process with confidence. Incredible craftsmanship. Witness the power of modern engineering as the CBI Stump grinder goes to work, transforming tough stumps with ease. This is no ordinary tool. It's a true game changer for land clearing. Effortless, efficient, and powerful. It effortlessly handles stubborn stumps, turning them into valuable mulch. Connect this powerhouse to your excavator and watch your landscape transform instantly. It's like a symphony of power and precision. Finland's waterways have a storied legacy, serving as vital transport routes for centuries. The Pilasgjoki River in Joensuu highlights this as a key artery for the timber trade. Massive log rafts glide downstream skillfully, offering a sustainable and efficient resource movement, a testament to harmony between tradition and innovation, sustainability at its finest, and a shining example for industries worldwide. The skill behind this process is legendary. New to woodworking? Don't worry, start simple. The HM1-6 portable sawmill is your perfect partner. Easy to use, versatile, and highly efficient. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned dyers. From crafting a simple bench to building intricate furniture, the HM1-6 is your reliable partner in woodworking success. Whoa, felling a leaning giant like that is no easy task. I once saw a tree leaning for 30 years, just waiting for someone brave enough to take it down. Then this awesome crew showed up, smiles all around, and they handled it like it was nothing. That image is burned into my memory forever. It's incredible to witness the dedication of these alpine farmers. They maintain a traditional approach, using equipment that echoes a bygone era. Their self-sufficiency is truly admirable. No reliance on outsourced labor, just pure dedication to the craft, a testament to hard work and a deep connection to the land. Bye-bye. I know what you're thinking. That tree never stood a chance. And you're right, the Cat 3, the 29E is a force of nature. But it's more than just brute strength. It's precision, it's control. It's the result of years of engineering excellence. And that's something we can all appreciate. Folks, picture this. A forest ravaged by a powerful storm. Now imagine the Ecolog 688 coming to the rescue. It navigates effortlessly through the debris, its crane reaching out like a helping hand. And the precision cutting head, it's like a surgeon's scalpel, making clean cuts and clearing the way. But don't just imagine it, watch the video. This is seriously impressive, but to be honest, I'm a little concerned about the machinery on this one. Franklin? Now this is a real challenge, but these guys, they're built for it. Every swing counts, and with the last trees coming down, it's all about extraction. The problem is, the snow is turning the whole mountain into a trap. If they don't hustle, they're stuck. It's a game of inches now, and Mother Nature holds the advantage. Wow, talk about a blast from the past. Submerging those logs, ingenious, minimizes decay, and keeps pests away. This is authentic lumber production, folks. The aroma of fresh cut timber, the rhythmic chug of the steam engine, watching those colossal logs meet the saw. It's a symphony of traditional craftsmanship, era of lumber production. It's remarkable to see a mill like this, still in operation, and those guys, clearly masters of their craft. We all love shiny new things, don't we? And the HTZ12 Plus, it's as sleek as they come. A 45/55 kilowatt main motor with a 160 to 180 millimeter wide blade. It's the kind of tool that makes you feel like you can take on anything. Drama, action, excitement. This operator is taking on some stubborn stumps. With the mighty Carlton 7015 TRX, will they conquer the yard, or will the stumps fight back? Stay tuned to find out. Westex engineers have outdone themselves with the Woodcracker G1650, but it's not just about size. That 1650mm working width is impressive, but it's the smart design and minimizes downtime. This rake is built to last, featuring a durable frame and rugged components to withstand the harshest conditions. DIY projects can be fun and rewarding. Preparation is the key to success. Stay focused and aim high. Don't wait until it's too late. Unstable soil like this requires swift action to remove the tree safely. Taking action now prevents property damage or potential injury, especially during unpredictable weather conditions. Let's see how it's done. Operating a log truck is a highly skilled job. This demonstration highlights the expertise required. From maneuvering through tight spaces to handling massive payloads, every movement reflects precision and care. Watch and learn from these seasoned professionals and discover the dedication behind this challenging profession. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.